I challenge you on Islam. Let's talk about it. You're not good on the Quran. You're not good on the Quran. But you're good on Matthew. So you know more about your faith than you do about your own. There you go. Yes. This is the Taoists for you. This is the Taoists. They spend all their time learning how to attack Christianity. I just want to ask you. No. Can you worship the face of Allah? It's a simple question, yes or no? Just give me a quick answer. Can you worship the face of Allah? Can you worship? Why can't you talk to me? Let me make a decision. Shall we have a talk? Okay, you see, he saved you. He saved you. No, because he's talking. He's just being polite. He's just being polite. Now notice, he's telling him not to talk to me. You see, this is a... Can you worship the face of Allah? Can you worship the face of Allah?
Can you worship
the face of Allah?
No, because Allah is everywhere.
No, that's not my question. There's no need to rephrase my question. My question is, can you worship the face of Allah?
No, you can't. No, because there is no face of Allah to say this. The face of Allah is there. You have to worship. Look,
there is no face of Allah.
What does it talk about your Bible?
So is there a face of Allah or not?
Tell us about your Bible.
Okay, please.
Let me explain to you. Allah is no Vatican or is no Mecca to face to worship to exact the face. But Allah directs you to face to the Kaaba, to the black stone, which is to pray. When you face to there, this is the direction for all human to face to worship Allah. It doesn't make it.
That wasn't my question.
Look, it doesn't make any difference if you face to the sky.
No, I didn't say face. I didn't say face to Allah. I didn't say face to the Kaaba. I said, can you worship the face of Allah? Allah has a face, right? Oh, he doesn't. So you deny that Allah has a face?
No.
Does the Quran deny that Allah has a face?
Allah have the direction to it.
Does Allah have a face? Does Allah
have the direction to it. You can't direct yourself to the Allah.
That's not my question. So if you understand, answer the question.
If you have a face, it doesn't mean you have face exact you on me.
So he does have a face.
When we say face the direction.
No, I'm not talking about the direction.
Face of Allah is the way which Allah is faced.
I'm not talking about. I'm not. Listen to what I'm saying.
Bobby, come up and speak
Listen to what I'm saying. Oh look, he's found his voice again. Suddenly he's got stuff to say to me. He didn't 5 minutes ago. No, let's talk.
No.
You
spread hate.
No.
You spread hate. Yes. That's why I said don't talk to him, man.
Yeah. Can either have a
like a shaitan.
Or we can have a shouting.
No.
Second. Wait. We can have a conversation. Yes. We can either allow one another to speak, or we can have it timed. Now, which would you prefer?
How much they pay you?
Okay, so he's a hypocrite.
How much they pay you? How much they pay you, brother?
Let's just move away from it. Suddenly he's got something to say. What? My question is still valid. Why don't you want? You have a duty to give dawah. You have a duty to give dawah. I am asking for dawah. Now what he's saying in Arabic is don't talk to me, I'm a missionary. That's what he's saying. He's saying don't talk to me. He's a missionary, making money is what he's accusing me of doing. That's what he's saying. Why don't you answer? Come and talk to me.
I am ready to answer your question about the face of Allah.
So great. So
okay.
1 second. Let's do this conversation.
Okay,
so I will talk.
I never see the face of Allah.
That's polite, isn't it? I would like that. Believe me, I can shout. Everyone knows that I can shout. But it damages his microphone. Yeah? Okay. I mean, the Quran says that Allah has a face. Now, when I say that Allah has a face, I am not saying that it's a face like your face or like my face. And I'm not talking about the direction of prayer. I want you to hear that because that's what you heard the first time. I'm not talking about the direction of prayer. I'm not talking about whether you face the Kaaba or face the sky. I'm not even interested in that question. I am saying that the Quran asserts that Allah has a face. And lots of Muslims, particularly Salafist Muslims, particularly Salafist Muslims, accept that Allah has a face. So my question is, since the face of Allah is Allah, can you worship the face of Allah?
You can, but the Salafis doesn't say you can worship the face of Allah. The face of Allah is the way of Allah is. Because wherever the Salafis say, or whoever, anybody say, talking about Allah, they say, كَمَا يُلِقُ بِجَلَالِهِ. The way of Allah is. We don't know how Allah is look like, okay? And we know He have a hands, but we don't know what's His hand is like. He have 5 fingers or He have, because we don't know what His actual body is. Allah say He have a hand, He have the eyes, okay? That's the exact. But we don't know how His eyes and how His hands and how His the legs. And in the Quran say Allah is sitting on the chair. We don't know what chair is look like. Is it like this chair or like the